Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie topping updated. Preheat your oven and gather apples, butter, flour, sugar, and spices. Start by peeling and slicing apples evenly to ensure uniform cooking. Toss slices with sugar, lemon juice, and cinnamon for a bright, balanced taste. Layer fruit into your pie shell and dot with butter for richness. Finish with a crumb or lattice topping and bake until bubbly and golden. Gather apples, sugar, spices, butter, and a thickener like cornstarch or flour before you start. Aim for a mix of sweet and tart apples to create depth of flavor and a pleasing texture. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to brighten the filling. Keep butter cold if making a crumb topping, or room temperature to dot directly on fruit for a richer finish. Slice apples evenly and toss them gently with sugar, cinnamon, and your chosen thickener to coat without crushing. Let the mixture sit briefly to marry flavors while you prepare the topping. For a crumb top, pulse butter and flour until pea-sized, then sprinkle. For a lattice, chill the dough before weaving. Bake until juices bubble and the top is golden, then cool slightly before serving for best results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.